Hello everyone, welcome to Kids Hindi Pathshala. Today I am going to explain lesson number 4 from class 2. So before starting the lesson, please subscribe the channel and hit the button so that you can get the notification of next uploading videos. अधिक बलवान कौन? अधिक मने more और बलवान मने strong. So the topic means who is more strong. एक बार हवा और सूरज में बहस छिड़ गई. हवा मने wind and सूरज मने sun. So here there are two characters who are debating with each other. बहस मने debate. हवा ने सूरज से कहा. The wind said to sun, मैं तुमसे अधिक बलवान हूँ. I am more stronger than you. सूरज ने हवा से कहा. So then sun replied to the wind, मुझ में तुमसे ज्यादा ताकत है. I have more strength than you. इतने में हवा की नजर एक आदमी पर पड़ी. नजर मने view. So the wind view of one person. हवा ने कहा and said, इस तरह बहस करने से कोई फायदा नहीं है. There is no use in debating like this. जो इस आदमी का कोट उतरवा दे, who could able to take off his coat, वही ज्यादा बलवान है. So he is more stronger. सूरज हवा की बात मान गया. So the sun also accept the condition. उसने कहा okay fine, ठीक है, okay fine. दिखाओ अपनी ताकत. Then show me your strength. हवा ने अपनी ताकत दिखानी शुरू की. The wind started showing his strength. आदमी की टोपी उड़ गई. So the person's cap flew away in wind. पर कोट उसने अपने दोनों हाथों से शरीर से लपेटे रखा. लपेटे मने wrapped and शरीर मने body. So he wrapped his coat around his body with two hands. और जल्दी जल्दी कोट के बटन बंद कर लिए. And immediately he put on his button of that coat. हवा और जोर से चलने लगी. जोर मने force. So the wind started blowing very fiercely. अंत में आदमी नीचे ही गिर पड़ा. अंत मने at last or end. So at the end the person fell down. पर कोट उसके शरीर पर ही रहा. But the coat was still there on his body only. अब हवा थक गई थी. थक means tired and the wind also got very tired. सूरज ने कहा, हवा अब तुम मेरी ताकत देखो. So the sun said, wind now see my strength. सूरज तपने लगा. The sun started glowing, which means it started producing heat. आदमी ने कोट के बटन खोल दिए. So the person removed the buttons of his coat. सूरज की गर्मी और बढ़ी. So गर्मी मने heat. The sun started increasing his heat. आदमी ने कोट उतार दिया. So the person removed his coat और उसे हाथ में लेकर चलने लगा. And he was carrying his coat in his hand and moving. सूरज ने कहा, देखी मेरी ताकत. So the sun said, have you seen my strength now? उतरवा दिया ना कोट. So I made him to remove his coat. हवा ने सूरज को नमस्कार किया. So the wind put his hands together and said, okay fine, I agree. So I accepted that you are very stronger than me. So this is the end of the story. So let's go to exercise. हवा की बात. Here they are talking about wind. हवा को ऐसा क्यों लगा होगा कि वह सूरज से अधिक बलवान है. Here they are asking that why the wind thought that he is more stronger than sun. So you have to think about that. हवा आदमी को कोट कैसे उतरवा सकती है. So they are asking how the wind could able to make that person to remove his coat. कोई तरकीब सोचो. So think about some ideas. गर्मी, so here they are talking about heat. आदमी ने गर्मी लगने पर कोट उतार दिया. So when he feel heat, the person removed his coat. तुम गर्मी लगने पर क्या क्या करती हो? What are the things you are used to do when you feel heat? मैं बाहर नहीं जाऊंगी. I will not go out. मैं और अधिक पानी पीऊंगी. I will drink more water. मैं सूती कपड़े पहनूंगी. I will wear cotton cloths. So these are the 3 points I have given as an answer. किसमें कितनी ताकत? Who is more stronger? बताओ इनमें से कौन अधिक बलवान है? So tell me. Here they have given 2 words. So you have to tell which is more stronger. तुम्हें ऐसा क्यों लगता है? And why you feel that he is more stronger than another one? सूरज या हवा? So I have given only one example. मुझे लगता है कि सूरज अधिक बलवान है. So here I have mentioned the answer sun, which is more stronger than the wind. क्योंकि because इसकी गर्मी मानव को जला सकती है. It can able to burn the human being. So this is the answer for that. So here are more another 2 examples are there. हाथी या शेर, elephant or lion. If you want to give answer, you can answer anything and give the reason also. गर्मी या सर्दी, summer or winter. So you feel whatever the गर्मी or सर्दी it may be a stronger. You can write and give the answer. शब्दों का खेल. So here you have a puzzles. Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is the particular word which mention the place. Taj Mahal. यहाँ पर 6 शब्द छिपे हैं. So here with this Taj Mahal, here we have 5 letters in Taj Mahal, 1 word. So we can able to find 6 words from these 5 letters. It may be a zigzag. So Taj, Taj मने crown, Mahal मने palace, Jam मने freeze, Hal मने solution, Tal मने beats, Mal मने rubbish. So I have given the meanings also for these 6 letters, which we can get from this Taj Mahal. So here with the same example, they have given one word, Kamal Kakadi. नीचे लिखे शब्द में तुम भी इसी तरह 8 शब्द ढूंढो. So you have to give 8 words from this. Kamal Kakadi. Kamal, I have given you lotus. Kal, tomorrow. Kakadi, cucumber. Kam, less. Kalam, pen. Lakdi, wood. You can say makadi, that is spider. And Mal also you can give, that is for rubbish. एक के बदले दूसरा. So बलवान की जगह हम ताकतवर शब्द का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. So बलवान means stronger. So instead of stronger we can use strengthen also. So the same way they have given, instead of balwan we can use ताकतवर also. So it's a kind of meaning of one word. So it is an Hindi to Hindi meaning. नीचे लिखे शब्दों की जगह तुम और कौन से शब्द चुन सकते हो. So they have given some words in your left hand side. You have to choose another word which have the same meanings as a समान अर्थ. अधिक, ज्यादा, फायदा, लाभ, नमस्कार, नमस्ते, शरीर, बदन, झगड़ा, लड़ाई, सर्दी, गर्मी. So that's it. So this is the end of your exercise. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, please write it in the comment box and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.